Good afternoon, my name is Kahar Kusainova and I'm a student of 466 Group of General Medicine. Can you give me your ID card, please? Okay, Adil Rizabeka. So I'm going to conduct you an auscultation of your heart. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so auscultation of the heart, it means that I will listen to the different places of your heart to assess its condition. I will ask you, please take off your shirt and remove your clothing from your chest. I've already processed my hands following all the rules of antiseptics and antiseptics, and the next step is I take my phonendoscope and I treat it with an alcohol wipe. First of all, the diaphragm, and second, the ear tips of the phonendoscope. So there are 5 points of auscultation of the heart. The first one is, first of all, we find the apex of the heart, and then we take our phonendoscope, and the first point of auscultation coincides with the apical impulse, which is often localized in the fifth intercostal space, 1 centimeter medially from the left medial clavicular line. This is the point of auscultation of the mitral valve. The second point is the second intercostal space intersecting with the right parasternal line, and we listen here to the aortic valve. So the third point is the second intercostal space intersecting with the left parasternal line, the projection of the pulmonary valve. So the fourth point is at the base of the xiphoid process, we listen to the tricuspid valve of the heart. And the last point is the fifth point, the third intercostal space at the left edge of the sternum. It is an additional point of aortic valve auscultation called Botkin R point. Adil, how do you feel? Do you have any complaints?
No, good.
Okay, if you don't have any complaints, you can put on your shirt. Then we again process the diaphragm and the ear tips of our phonendoscope with alcohol wipes, and we dispose them to the B-class medical waste. After that, we process our hands following all the rules of aseptics and antiseptics, and we do the documentation part of our examination. So now we're going to measure the heart rate of our patient. For this purpose, I take his both hands. He sits and relaxes. So, first of all, we check the symmetricity of the beats. It is symmetric. Then, if it is symmetric, we move to one hand and we check the rhythm of the beats. The rhythm is rhythmic. After that, we check the frequency of beats. It means that we count the beats for 15 seconds and then we multiply it by 4. Normally it's from 60 to 80 beats per minute. After that, we check the tenderness. It means that we press our fingers enough to stop the pulse, and that is how we assess the tenderness of the pulse. After that, the last criteria is the filling of the vessels. It means that we check the filling. It is satisfactory.